Welcome back to Mwafo Igbo podcast. I'm your host, Ada Igwe Umori. Today, we'll be taking a colorful journey into the beautiful Igbo traditional attires and accessories. Igbo people are one of the largest ethnic groups in Nigeria, known for their rich cultural heritage and vibrant clothing styles. Traditional Igbo attire is characterized by its intricate designs, vibrant colors, and exquisite accessories. Today, we will delve into this fascinating world of fashion, deeply rooted in tradition, while also evolving with contemporary influences. Let's begin our exploration by discussing some key elements of a traditional Igbo attire, the fabrics. One of the most commonly used fabrics is the George wrapper, which is typically made from silk or cotton. The George wrapper features stunning embroidered patterns that hold symbolic meaning within Igbo culture. These wrappers come in various lengths but are often draped around the waist to create an elegant silhouette. They can be worn by both men and women during important occasions like weddings, festivals, or cultural ceremonies. Now, let's talk about an essential component of any traditional outfit, blouses or shirts. Women traditionally wear intricately designed blouses made from lace fabric or brightly patterned Ankara cloth. These blouses often featured puffed sleeves, ruffled collars, or decorative frills, a true visual delight. Men typically wear a long shirt known as Iago, which is made from a special fabric adorned with detailed embroidery on both front and sleeves. The Iago adds a touch of regality to any outfit while reflecting cultural pride. Accessories play a vital role in completing a traditional Igbo ensemble. One such significant accessory is the Ichafo, or Igbo head tie, which can be worn by both men and women. These head ties are not merely fashion statements, but also serve as markers of social status, marital status, or even spiritual beliefs. While wearing an Ichafo, its style and knotting technique convey specific messages. For instance, the Gaba style is often worn by married women as a symbol of their marital status and showcases their elegance. On the other hand, the Otu Ora knot signifies wealth and affluence. Moving on to the jewelry, the crowning glory of any outfit, Igbo men and women adorn themselves with a wide range of accessories that add flair to their traditional attires. Women wear necklaces known as Mbulobi, made from colorful beads, intricately strung together. These beads are often passed down through generations, carrying familial significance. Additionally, necklaces made from coral beads called Mbedike represent beauty and royalty among Igbo women. Men also accessorize with statement jewelry. One such example is a traditional waist bead called Jigida or Mbakbando, worn around the waist during ceremonial occasions. Jigida signifies virility and masculinity within Igbo culture. Beads hold great cultural value among the Igbo people, be it for aesthetic purposes or a deeper spiritual connection to ancestral traditions. Now that we've explored some fascinating details about traditional attire, let's discuss how these beautiful designs have evolved over time to suit modern taste while preserving ancient customs. Contemporary Igbo fashion designers have skillfully merged traditional elements with contemporary styles. They incorporate modern fabrics such as chiffons or crepes and experiment with new cuts or silhouettes without compromising the essence of Igbo fashion. Another aspect worth mentioning is the influence of Igbo attire on global fashion. The bold colors, vibrant patterns, and intricate embroidery that define traditional Igbo clothing have inspired renowned international designers and artists alike. It's incredible to witness how this rich cultural heritage has transcended boundaries. Unfortunately, that brings us to the end of our exploration today. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the beautiful world of Igbo traditional attires and accessories. Remember, cultural clothing is not just about style, it's a tangible expression of identity, intertwining generations past and present. Thank you all for joining me today on this episode. Stay tuned for more fascinating insights in our upcoming episodes as we continue unraveling the threads that connect our diverse world through fashion and Igbo culture. Stay tuned.